This is the weather forecast video for Wednesday, April 4th, 2012. Taking a look at the satellite image from last evening, a storm system over the middle part of the country producing those showers and thunderstorms across Texas and into the Gulf Coast that produced those tornadoes over the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex earlier in the day, and another storm coming into the northwest. Watch warning map from midnight. A severe thunderstorm watch in effect at the time over East Texas into Louisiana, some red flag warnings in Montana and the Dakotas, and winter weather advisories in the Northwest. The KPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Easter Sunday evening at 7 o'clock. Still shows most of the state of Iowa dry except the far southern counties, which could see upwards of 1/4 of an inch over the next 5 days. So let's take a look at those 5 days and beyond with the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. There's the system in the middle part of the country over Oklahoma and Kansas with a ridge pretty much over the rest of us. Low pressure near Wichita will produce some showers and thunderstorms, especially to our south and west. Could brush the southern counties today, while mainly areas north of Interstate 80 remain dry. And looks a lot drier here for Thursday, with the system quickly moving into the south and east. Temperatures will still remain in the 60s and some lower 70s. Good Friday, that storm is well off, but here comes another one, which will be off to our west. The winds turn southerly. Temperatures will begin to rise. Could be some frost Friday morning. And on Saturday, we could see some isolated showers and storms. The chance doesn't look very exciting, maybe 20 to 30% or less at this point. Easter Sunday still looks dry and cooler, highs upper 50s to middle 60s across the state. As we head to Monday to start off the new work week, it looks to be getting a little bit cooler than that, maybe 50s for highs by that point, to maybe around 60 in the south and west. And Tuesday morning, we could see some frost and possibly even some freeze conditions, if this is right, with the 540 line dipping way south and west of the state. A week from today, on the 11th, that trough begins to ease out, and here comes a ridge with another trough over the west. And with that, we warm back up at least into the 60s, and the next storm is waiting to our south and west at that time. Only 2 days later, on Friday the 13th, it seems like the unlucky day is seemingly still showing a very unlucky big nasty storm system right over the middle part of the country, with a low pressure centered at 992 millibars somewhere near Beatrice, Nebraska. So some shower and thunderstorm activity is becoming more likely on that day. And way out at the end of the forecast on the 19th, trough axis just to our west, a ridge over the southeast, another one nosing into California. And that looks like another one of these big nasty storm systems with showers and thunderstorms as well. Both storms, they could have severe weather. It is severe weather season after all. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one on Thursday.